everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the triple traveling time step. That's a lot of tease. So if you have not yet watched my videos going over the single and then the double traveling time steps, I would recommend watching those first so you can get the foundation before jumping into this triple one. So you can find the links to those in my description box below or in my time steps playlist. You can also find that linked in my description box below. So once you've watched those, once you've learned those, then you can come on back and learn the triple. So they all start the same. For the single, after the hop, we just did a step, because usually with a single, it's just a step. After the hop for the double, we did a flap, because usually when you change anything to a double, it becomes a flap. Now that we're doing the triple, after the hop, we're going to do a shuffle, which is usually the case. So we're going to start it exactly the same as the other two. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, ball, change. From here, we're going to hop, shuffle, step, and then a shuffle, step on your left. As you can probably tell, that the shuffle after the hop is faster, right? So it's hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. So it's a closed shuffle, and the other ones are kind of open shuffles. You just kind of have to whip the hop shuffle out faster than the other shuffles come out. So as an example, from the hop, we have hop, shuffle, step, step. Okay, so in this one it can get tricky because there are a lot of shuffle steps, and it can be easy to mix up where you are in the step. So from the top again, we have on the right, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, hop, shuffle, step, Now on the left, shuffle, step, ball, change, hop, shuffle, step, Again on the right, shuffle, step, ball, change. One more. And hop, shuffle, step. Okay? And again, if you were to turn it from here, you turn on that hop. So it would be shuffle, step, ball, change. We hop, shuffle, step. And hop, shuffle, step. Okay? Same thing on the left. From here, shuffle, step, ball, change. And hop, shuffle, step. Okay? So that's the turn. You're turning on that hop. Whichever foot is hopping, you're turning over that opposite shoulder. Let's try a little bit faster here. Just going back and forth without the turn, just so that we can get kind of a better feel for how it goes. And starting on the right foot again. Starts on 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Hop, shuffle, step. Left side. And hop, shuffle, step. Again, shuffle, step. Ball, change. Last one. Good, nicely done. Okay, let's go to the left side now. So starting on the left, starts on 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Two more. All right, nicely done. So those are all of the traveling time steps. There's only a single, double, and a triple. But as you can see, we go from a step into a flap, into a shuffle, and then our sounds need to get tighter, and because things get faster, because there's less room for all the sounds that we're trying to put in. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a step suggestion or a song suggestion, go ahead and leave it down in the comments section below, and I'll try to get to it as soon as possible. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.